Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of productivity apps out there? To-do lists, note-taking, project management, it's enough to make your head spin. But what if there was a single platform that could handle it all, for free? That's the promise of Notion. Notion has exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It boasts a clean, versatile interface that lets you create anything from simple shopping lists to complex project wikis. But with so much functionality, a crucial question arises. Can you really use Notion for free, forever? The answer, like most things in life, is a bit more nuanced. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Notion's free plan, its limitations, and when you might need to consider upgrading. The allure of the free plan. Notion's free plan is undeniably generous. You get unlimited pages and blocks, the building blocks of your Notion workspace. This means you can create as many to-do lists, databases, and Kanban boards as your heart desires. Need a central hub for your personal projects? Notion's got you covered. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The free plan comes with a few restrictions. Storage space. You get 5 megabytes of storage for uploaded files. This might be enough for light users, but it can quickly fill up if you plan on storing images, documents, or videos. Version history. You only get access to the past week's worth of edits. This means if you accidentally delete something important, you're out of luck. Collaboration. You can only share your workspace with up to 5 guests. This is fine for individual use, but not ideal for collaborating on team projects. Feature limitations. Some advanced features, like custom page icons and priority levels in databases, are reserved for paid plans. Free forever, but with limits. So, can you use Notion for free forever? Technically, yes. There's nothing stopping you from sticking to the free plan and working within its constraints. But for many users, these limitations can become deal breakers. If you're a student jotting down notes or a casual user managing personal tasks, the free plan might be perfectly adequate. However, if you plan on uploading a lot of files, think research papers or design mockups, working collaboratively on projects with a large team, needing access to more advanced features for organization, wanting peace of mind with a longer version history, then upgrading to a paid plan might be a wise decision. Notion's paid plans. A breakdown. Notion offers several paid plans, each catering to different needs. Here's a quick rundown. Personal Pro. $5 per month boosts your storage to 5 gigabytes. Grants access to unlimited guests and a full page edit history. Perfect for power users who need more space and collaboration options. Team, $8 per month per user, ideal for teams, offering all the features of Personal Pro plus shared team workspaces, advanced permissions, and priority support. Business, custom pricing designed for large organizations, with features like single sign-on, advanced analytics, and dedicated support. The upgrade decision. It's all about you. Ultimately, the decision of whether to upgrade from the free plan boils down to your individual needs. Here are some questions to ask yourself. How much storage space do I realistically need? Will I be collaborating with others on projects? How important is access to past edits and advanced features? If the free plan feels restrictive, upgrading can unlock Notion's full potential. But if you're comfortable working within the limitations, there's no pressure to spend a dime. Notion. A free forever friend. With conditions. Notion's free plan is a fantastic starting point, offering a glimpse into the power and versatility of the platform. But for many users, the limitations on storage, collaboration, and features will eventually necessitate an upgrade. The good news? Notion's paid plans are reasonably priced and offer significant value for the features they unlock. So explore the free plan, see how it fits your workflow, and make the upgrade decision when the time comes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.